Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change Microsoft Outlook email address. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this successfully. Make sure to get onto Microsoft.com and then log on into your account. We're going to click on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then here we're going to click on My Microsoft Account. And now that we're in, the next thing we need to click on is Your Info on the left side of this screen. We're going to click on it. And right now we're in your account info page. We can scroll down to where we have account info. You can see your email address right here. And then we're going to click on the edit account info right here. Click on it. Great. And now we have the page manage how you sign into Microsoft. Now we have this email address already and you can see that it's the primary alias. You also have the option to remove the account. However, if you click on it, it's not going to actually remove it because it's just this account right here. Now we're going to click on Add Email, and this is because we want to change our Microsoft Outlook email address. And right here we have Add Email, so we're going to click on it, and then we're going to click on Add Alias. And right here we have two options. We're going to click on the first one, even though it comes with the second option pre-checked. And here we've clicked on Create a New Email Address and add it as an alias. Now right here we're going to put in a new email address which is unique and has not been taken. So now we've put in an email address, we're going to click on Add Alias and hope that this name hasn't been taken. So we're going to click on it. Great. So now we have two email addresses. We have the first one, which is the primary alias, and we have the second one, which we just created right now. The next thing you're going to do is to make this primary. Making this your primary alias will give this new email address access to all the other informations that this other account had access to. This is an easy way of changing your Microsoft Outlook email address. So we're going to simply say make primary. There is a pop-up where you need to confirm and also possibly check the box if you'd like more information and tips. We haven't checked this, but you could do it if you want. So we're going to click on yes. Awesome. You can see right now it's made a shuffle and making the new email address as the primary alias. At the top here, you can see you've made this new email address your primary alias. This is great because after 48 hours, this new email address, which you've just changed, will appear on all your other products and services. And then lastly, if you'd like to remove the initial email address because you've just changed it to a new one, you can simply click on remove right here. So let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.